Hello, everyone, and welcome to Trimlink. Workspaces are the foundation of organization inside Trimlink. They allow you to separate clients, departments, projects, and campaigns into dedicated environments while keeping links, collections, landing pages, analytics, and team access completely isolated. This helps teams stay organized, secure, and focused on the resources that matter to them. In this video, we'll create a workspace, assign access, manage team members, and learn how to switch between environments. To begin, navigate to Workspaces from the left sidebar and click Workspace. To create a new workspace, click the New Workspace button on top right on List Workspaces. Start by entering a workspace name that clearly identifies the project, client, or department. You can also add an optional description to provide additional context for administrators and team members. Using clear names and descriptions makes workspaces easier to identify as your organization grows. Next, assign groups and members to the workspace. Groups make administration easier by granting access to multiple users at once. You can also assign individual team members directly from your organization. Once assigned, users gain access to workspace resources based on their permissions, including short links, collections, landing pages, custom domains, and analytics. Because workspaces are isolated environments, users only see data from the workspaces they've been assigned to. After reviewing your configuration, click Save. Your workspace becomes available immediately and is ready for use. As projects evolve, you can return to the Workspace listing page and click Edit to update names, descriptions, groups, or members. All permission and configuration changes take effect immediately after saving. If you have access to multiple workspaces, use the Workspace selector to quickly switch between them. Trimlink automatically loads the links, collections, templates, and analytics associated with the selected environment. This allows teams to manage multiple projects while keeping data securely separated. When a workspace is no longer needed, you can remove it using the Delete option. Before confirming, carefully review the warning message. Deleting a workspace permanently removes its associated resources and cannot be undone. That's it. You've learned how to create, manage, update, switch, and remove workspaces in Trimlink. Thanks for watching, and visit trimlink.ai to learn more about smarter link management and team collaboration.